Hello, my name is Luis Guillermo Angel. I am going to try on January of next year. I am going to the visit Cartagena de Indias. We are going to stay in an apartment facing the sea. I am going to invite my mother and my girlfriend and my brothers to the trip. We are going to take 4 large suitcases for everyone. I am going to wear comfortable clothes. The climate of Cartagena is very hot. I will take my camera to the forest. I will go to Reds. I will walk along the wall and I will know the different tourist sites. I am going to bring 1 million of pesos to spend and enjoy in the different activities that we carry out, and I will bear quotes for my work for James Collins. I will take my credit card in the case it need it. Thank you.